Halo guys, ya sekilas
Halo.
info, kita tidak akan berbicara bahasa Indonesia. Ya, after this, oke. So welcome back to our FPL review, with brought to you by me, Vandok, and with my fellow pundit, Ameliana. Okay, so yeah, I think starting from this video, we will be using English, but if we have to switch to Indonesia, we will do it also. Depends on the situation. Okay, for this week, we will, yeah, on this video we will only talk about the result first. The result of the game week 5, which happened, yeah, last weekend, and also the points of the team, of my team and Ameliana's team. Okay. Um, how are you, Ameliana? Before we start,
Not good lah.
not good lah.
I'm so
Okay.
stressed.
Why you so
But
stressed?
I'm very much fine. Yeah, you know my role lah.
Oh yeah, yeah. She was busy this week. Okay. Wait. Let me just,
Still busy.
yeah. Okay. Yeah. Wait. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. For the last game week, we have first the Everton against Liverpool, which ended up as a draw. It
Hmm.
was I I don't want to say it is a good match actually. It's kind of boring, you know. It was kind of boring.
Wah,
I, I don't know.
really?
I don't know.
Well, I think it's pretty interesting because I don't know. They both seems good, I guess. But like Liverpool is lacking from defender stuff. Like Van Dijk was injured right at
Yeah,
the beginning,
yeah,
and so yeah.
yeah.
Who he got sub? Who substituted? Who substituted? Van Dijk.
Gomez.
I forgot.
Yeah, Joe Gomez.
Oh, okay.
Joe Gomez comes in. Yeah, actually,
Okay.
when I was yeah, when me and my friend watched the match, uh, there were actually two options whether the Liverpool team can bring on Joe Gomez, or they can put Fabinho
Mhm.
as a defender and put on
Okay.
ini who Giorgio ini Wijnaldum. Yeah, and yeah,
Okay.
they came up with the first option. Yeah, yeah. Actually, the Van Dijk uh, tackle is, yeah, it's very,
Incident.
yeah. It's I think
Bad.
it is really bad, especially that he is now for this semester, he will be out of the squad of Liverpool.
Yeah.
And
And
yeah,
Pickford didn't actually get any red card, right?
yeah, he he got, yeah, he only got yellow, I guess, yeah, from the match.
Mhm.
And what else happened? Oh, the
Recently.
yeah, I think Liverpool should have win the match, but
Yeah.
the offside VAR is, yeah, ridiculous as always. Yeah,
Yeah.
as but yeah, but come to think of it, but I think Liverpool somehow cannot really, how do you call it? Uh, Forced to break the Everton's defense, but Everton can only score a goal
Hmm.
with the header only, kan? One from the set piece,
Mhm.
and one also
Yep.
from the Rodriguez
Oh wait,
crossing.
who got the
Yeah,
score?
the score is, wait,
Yeah, 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 yeah. Yes.
yeah, the first one is, yeah, Michael Keane. Yeah, I think that's all. My
Yes.
prediction was 3-1 to Everton. What were your prediction?
I I actually got two predictions. The first one is 3-2 to Everton, and the second one is 2-2. So, but I went with the 3-2. So I guess I was wrong.
Yeah, but it's almost also. Mm. Okay, and then the next one is Chelsea versus Southampton. Uh, it
Mm.
is I don't watch the match because I thought Chelsea will, automatically win, but it turns out they didn't. I think they blew
No,
up
no, no, no.
their the 3-0 lead, right? Or no?
I don't think so. I
Wait.
don't think so. But they did concede late goals
Yeah, yeah,
for
yeah,
Vestergaard.
yeah. Until
That's all I remember.
until until the 19 minute. The
Yes.
score is 3-2, and then Southampton got the last corner kick, and when they took it, Vestergaard scored it. Yeah. Wait, let me check
Yes.
first. Yeah. Do you watch? Did you watch?
Yes, I did watch it. So my takeaway from that game is actually that Pulisic is back, right? And
Yeah.
he got, like he's bringing that kind of impact so they can flow, the game for Chelsea can flow nicely. And I guess that kind of makes Werner so that can score, right?
Yeah.
Like the position is kind of interesting, I guess.
Ah, yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah. And I actually watched the highlights of the match. I think the Southampton's
Mhm.
goal were the I forgot. I think there was one. It is Kepa's fault, and the other one it's Zuma's fault, the defender.
Mm,
Yeah,
I forgot. This is
yeah, but I think yeah Chelsea should have won it, but the defender and the goalkeeper were bad. And then
I
at
actually wrote I actually wrote shaky on the back. On my notes. Okay. So
yeah,
yeah, that explains it.
yeah. Yeah, in I think it's bahasa Indonesia
Yeah.
goblok emang. Okay. Yeah, something like that lah.
Okay.
I got sorry. I think I got yeah, I got
Oh,
yeah, 3-2 actually to
yeah.
Chelsea.
Same
Yeah.
with you.
Almost lah. Okay. And then City against Arsenal is 1-0. Yeah, unlucky
Oh,
for Arsenal, and
mm.
yeah, lucky for Arsenal sih. I think Arsenal at least got to draw, but I think just unlucky for them.
Nah, 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 nah.
No.
What was your prediction? What was your prediction?
Uh, 2-1 to Arsenal.
Oh yeah. I 2-1 to Arsenal. So
Yeah.
Arsenal won.
No, City won Arsenal too.
City won. Arsenal 2. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. So I predicted 3-1 to City actually.
Yeah.
Because I did. Yeah. You
Yeah.
know, City's just that good. I mean, like even they're missing KDB, they still got Sterling, like,
Yeah.
and Mahrez and Foden. So I just thought that we'll win this, but yeah, just slightly win, just one
Yeah.
goal.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Yeah. And yeah, I think from that match I kind of hate Aguero when
Why?
the incident kan. Yeah.
Which one?
The um I think Arsenal got a throw in, but and Aguero just kind of strangle the linesman, and the linesman and sorry lineswoman.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
I s- I saw the football no context about it,
yeah, yeah,
so I
yeah,
didn't actually know what happened there. But yeah.
yeah. I think from then on, I was like, Aguero is kind of and then and base. I think I read it on Reddit. If the players
Mm.
touch the referee, whether it is the referee itself or the linesman, uh, the players will get a minimum of yellow card. I think the referee didn't
Hmm.
saw accident. Didn't saw the incident actually.
Okay.
Yeah, so something like that. Okay, and then the
Mhm.
next one is yeah, Newcastle against Manchester United. Yeah, I didn't watch it because I don't know. Okay, I just the match is
Why?
at 2 a.m. in the morning. I kind of I don't want to risk it lah because it is too
Chris what?
yeah, sleeping very night is very very bad, so yeah, skip it. Yeah. Yeah. um how do you say it? From my friend's perspective, the game is good, really good. After half time, when the Manchester United sub on Van de Beek and Pogba, the games is getting better for them, and actually got a breakthrough the score on the last 3 minutes. Yeah, 86, 90, and 90 plus 6. Yeah, I think
Hmm.
the Bruno's goal is yeah, magnifico lah. And then the
But
Aaron Wan Bisaka
but
goals. Yeah, no,
he finally
he
missed a penalty.
yeah,
Oh my.
I think, and yeah, after the press conference, Bruno's praised the Newcastle goalkeeper because yeah,
Oh.
he blocked his shot. And
Hmm.
what else? Yeah. Oh, the funny one is that the Wan Bisaka's goal, because
Yeah,
at
yeah,
the
yeah.
post match interview, everyone didn't have a suggestion, have a, what do you call it? Have a thought that Wan Bisaka can shot like that. They thought it was a cross.
Okay. So
Yeah,
is it correct that it was his first goal,
yeah.
if I am not mistaken?
First,
Yeah.
first professional goals.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Interesting.
yeah. Yeah, yeah. It is actually fun. Yeah, Masquerade Rashford goal is, yeah, superb lah.
Yeah.
My prediction, I think I think I got Newcastle win. Wait, let me check.
Are you
No, no.
always so pessimist lah?
Oh, no, 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 no. I got Man United win with 1-2. One Newcastle to Man United. You?
Yeah, same.
Okay. The next one is Southampton against Fulham.
No, Sheffield.
Yeah, sorry.
Sheffield.
Sheffield United against Fulham is 1-1. What do you think? I don't know.
So I didn't actually watch the actual match, but I did watch the highlights. So Mitrovic actually missed penalty also here.
Oh, yeah, 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 yeah.
But
I think, yeah, yeah. I
he just
think,
shot high.
yeah, sure, yeah, and uh it is very, what do you call it? It is very, I think you can look it from the screen that Mitrovic is really frustrated with the with his shots, with his performance like that until the 19 minute. Yeah, because Fulham will always get the opportunity to score, but um
Mhm.
they cannot finish the attack properly. Yeah.
Wait, so I guess Fulham was on the lead with Lukman's goal, right? But then Sheffield got a late penalty, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait. Yeah. But the Fulham's goal, I think it is on the kind of first, yeah. Eh, oh no, on the 77, and then
Uh,
yeah, Billy Sharp takes the penalty on the 85. Yeah.
the
So
penalty incident the penalty incident was actually kind of blurred to me. Like, it was Mitrovic that caused the penalty, I guess. It was like handball, but I personally didn't think that it's handball.
ah
I don't
I,
know.
I kind of forget it. I can forget it.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. But
So yeah. So I guess another takeaway from that game was McBurney actually got some potential head goals from, like, he got like 3 attempts or so from
yeah.
header goals, but he didn't get it.
Yeah. Yeah. Our recommended players, Brewster actually got on the field as subs,
Yeah,
but yeah,
which is
um yeah, he just ordinary lah.
Yeah, he
Okay,
didn't do much.
yeah, something like that. Okay, the next one is Crystal Palace against Brighton. Yeah, I think it is kind of the same match with the Sheffield and Fulham. And
Wait,
oh yeah,
what was your prediction with the Sheffield game?
uh, I got 0-0, 0-0.
I got 2-0 for Sheffield.
Ah,
Dumb.
I think yeah, I think whether it is 0-0 or Fulham got the win because they are kind of what yeah, they we know that they can actually score whether for Sheffield they still lack of score.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. The next one, yeah, the Crystal Palace against Brighton. Yeah, Crystal Palace got the goal in the beginning. It was a penalty
Yeah,
with
like,
Wilfried Zaha in the 19th minute, and then Brighton got the very late goal in the 90th minute, and
yeah.
their captain Lewis Dunk got red card.
Yep.
Yeah. And the stats actually for Crystal Palace is, oh, okay, it is interesting.
What?
do you know do you know how many shots and shot on target for Crystal Palace?
Oh, just this one, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
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 You know,
Yeah, yeah, I know.
yeah, it's only one shots and one shot on
From
target.
penalty as well.
Yeah, I don't know how it can be. Yeah, and then I think the match was kind of heated because there were some spikes on the field, and that
Mm-hmm.
was the cause of the Lewis Dunk got red card. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
yeah, something like that lah. Yeah, it is sad. And then, ooh,
I'm
do you want
waiting.
do you want me or do you want you?
I don't know. They just bottled the 3-0
Yeah,
lead at the freaking last 10 minutes. I'm just so stressed.
yeah.
Like at the beginning, we all happy. Like, oh my God, they're just following goals like Son and Kane. They're just like, what is it? What do you call gacor in English? But
Uh,
then, last 10 minutes just got fucked.
yeah, yeah, yeah. It is. Is I think me as a football fan kind of like disappointed and also praise West Ham sih. Like, uh, I can of the thing of the idea that West Ham can come back with 3 goals in the
Yeah,
last
10 minutes? Like 10
10.
minutes?
Yeah,
Yeah, 10 minutes.
yeah.
Last 10
The
minutes.
goal is 82, 85, and 98 plus 4.
Hmm.
Yeah, and the
So,
Tottenham score is goals actually on the first 16 minutes.
10
Yeah,
minutes? Yeah, like,
yeah,
but like West Ham is actually in good form right now.
yeah,
So I was I wasn't surprised with the result actually because we got so many draws this week,
yeah.
and like my prediction was actually 3-2 for, but if I'm being honest, that 3-all is not surprising for me actually.
Yeah.
But what was interesting is actually Lanzini's goal, right? Did you watch the
Oh,
Lanzini goal?
oh yeah. I think I watch.
Underrated
Yeah,
goal.
yeah. I watch on the yeah. I think I watch on the 90 minute on the last corner kick. Well, while I play some game, watch, and I think the corner kick actually first got into the box, and then I think
Also,
someone from the Tottenham can get
yeah,
away, and then got the Harry Wings
yeah,
try to clear it again, but
yeah,
the ball comes to Lanzini, and Lanzini just shot it, and it was like, wow.
yeah.
Yeah,
It kind of remind me of that Vincent Company's goal.
yeah, yeah.
Which
On
one?
the
Which one of that came from last season?
last ini kan? Oh no no no.
Yeah,
I
yeah, yeah.
think there
No, no,
was a
no.
match with City only the only goal scorer is Company.
Uh-huh. Yeah,
Yeah.
from last minute also. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah, that's one. Yeah. Yeah, okay. What else from this match? Bell actually got on. Yeah, it was. I think
Yeah,
I was really
because
excited when he comes out. Comes in like, wow, okay, here he comes.
he almost scored. He almost
Yeah,
scored as well.
yeah, yeah,
He missed it
yeah. But yeah,
because
but
that ended the game.
it was it was very it was a very interesting match in the end.
Right. I
Uh,
forgot, but what I read was that Bale's first game was actually a draw as well from for Spurs when he came on from the bench. So it's
yeah,
like history repeating itself, you know.
yeah. I
If you
think
read about it.
I think I
Yes.
I got the yeah. I think there was a tweet about it and I read it. Yeah, it is very.
Yeah.
It is yeah. I was kind of surprised actually, but I know that West Ham can do something like that because remember when the last season Chelsea against West Ham when
Mhm.
Chelsea got 2 goals first
Mhm.
and then West Ham can do comeback with 3 goals. Yeah, something like that lah.
Mhm.
It is okay. Ah, I think I forgot. What was your prediction for the Crystal Palace against Brighton?
Uh, 1-2 and 2 for Brighton.
Yeah, me got 2-1 for Crystal Palace. And for the Spurs against West Ham,
3-2.
to Tottenham.
Yeah, of course lah.
Yeah, me got 4-3 to Spurs. Yeah. Yeah.
No,
Yeah. And then okay, and then that's for the Spurs West Ham.
Saturday. No,
And then last 3 match, Leicester Aston Villa. It is 0-1 to Aston Villa. You watch it? I don't.
no.
Okay. What was your?
It
I
was
think
like early.
yeah. The goal is
Yeah.
90 plus one.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. From
Yeah.
Barkley. I
Yeah.
see the highlights. Yeah.
Uh.
So wait,
Okay. What was your prediction?
it's actually 2-2, 2-2.
Hmm. Oh, two. Two. Oh, two.
2-2.
Okay. Me got uh Aston Villa win with the score of 2-0.
Hmm.
Yeah. And
So
then
actually, Leicester is not looking great, right?
yeah.
Well, Vardy,
Vardy
there's
injured,
so many players.
and
Yeah.
then their defender Soyuncu is also injured,
Yeah.
and
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
then who else ya? Madison no ya? Madison no. Yeah,
No, no, no.
yeah. It was not looking good for them.
Yeah, but on the other hand, like Aston Villa is looking good right now, and like Martinez has actually got some good saves from the previous game, right?
Yeah. Hello guys, welcome back. We got some what do you call it?
Technical difficulty.
Difficulties yeah.
Difficulty.
So well gitu ya for from the last session. It is West. Yeah, the last one it is we review about the Leicester against Aston Villa, which is a win to Aston Villa. The next one is West Brom against Burnley. It is 0-0. Um,
Mhm.
I think Amel has said that there was an result,
It's not
result,
goal.
result goal from the West Brom. Yeah.
Hmm. Yeah.
And also the man of the match actually Nick Pop ya. Yeah, the Burnley goalkeeper. In the last
Yeah.
season, Nick Pop is on one of the popular choice as the FPL
Mm.
goalkeeper because Burnley has many
A lot
clean
of
sheets.
friendship.
Yeah,
But
and
this
then
is actually their first clean sheet, I guess. Yeah,
yeah, because the on the
this.
previous match they always lose. Yeah, always
Mm-hmm.
lose. Yeah. Uh, so yeah, that's my prediction is 1-0 to West Brom, and your prediction is
1-0.
okay.
1-1.
1-0. Okay.
1-0.
Uh, the next one is Leeds against Wolf. Wolf scored the only goal by Raul Jimenez. Jimenez is one of the popular choice also right now.
Mm-hmm.
And then there was a Diesel goal also ya tadi ya.
Yes, by Bamford actually.
Yeah. If Bamford score, it will be a good point for me and for you lah. But
Yep.
yeah, I think it's for this time. Um, my prediction is 3-0 to Leeds actually. What are the prediction?
2-1 to Leeds.
Yeah, very unlucky. Hopes
Yeah,
they
so
will.
basically, we were discussing about how Leeds are quite slacking right now.
Yeah,
So they started the season well. Like there were so many goals from them, but right now, like from the previous game against City and now against Wolves, they just start to kind of slack something.
yeah,
Like they don't score that many goals again.
yeah. Very unlucky lah for them.
Hmm.
So sad sih. Okay. Yeah, and that is all of the previous game week score result. Sorry, and we come to the points. Me got 83, and you got, wait, let me check.
63.
Yeah, 63.
63.
Oh yeah, by the way, you're not number one anymore, and
Eh,
we
why
got.
you? Why are you joining this league lah?
Yeah, I already told some of my friends to join because if you win, you got, maybe you get a jersey. Yeah, and then Voila, there is a five
So
people.
there,
There
there are
are.
minimum requirements that it is required for 100 people to join this one. Okay, so you can get a free jersey if you want to win this one.
Yeah. Okay. I think we can go back to the result. Okay, so
Yeah.
my I got 83. Martinez got 9 score because he got a clean sheet. My defender, I trade Shaw for Reguilon.
A
Um,
good choice lah.
yeah, yeah.
Shows
Uh,
because he's starting goal.
yeah.
Yeah.
But actually, because I use more than one transfer, it is actually kind of like, what do you call it? Not benefit nor deficit because yeah, so somehow this is zero for Reguilon kan. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then yeah, Van Dijk got one because he only play for 15 minutes or less.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Justin Leicester lose. Yeah. Rodriguez only got an assist, but he conceded 2 goals. Yeah. Yeah, sorry, he got,
Yeah.
yeah, and also he got yellow card. Fernandez is banging, but
But missed the
he got,
penalty.
yeah, Mialtis miss, but he got bonus score, which is good also. Harrison and Bamford kind of, yeah, only got 90
Mm-hmm.
minutes. Yeah. Oh, 81, yeah, 60 minutes minimum. Son is on target, but yeah,
Yeah.
but I think, but I thought that Son will get more point than Ken, but actually Ken that get more point. But in the end, it is a win-win. See, I I got
Mm.
lucky from the previous game week because I keep Son, so I can buy Kane and Reguilon. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
And then Calvin scores a goal, Bamford blank. And my my subs, yeah, so lah. Okay. Now we go to yours. Um. Okay. So 63-0. Brighton unlucky ya.
Okay. Okay. So first of all, once again I took a -4 hit, so I could bring on Son. which was a good decision for me because I captained him and he scored a lot of points. So I traded Pereira for Son, and I also traded Mitrovic for Watkins actually, but Watkins didn't do much at the previous game, so that was a lot for me. So maybe you can scroll a bit. Okay, so basically my goalkeeper didn't get any clean sheet, whether it's from Ryan or from McCarthy. And for Trent, okay, so I actually was thinking to trade Trent to someone because Liverpool are not looking good right now in the back. And from Castagna and Justin, I almost got two clean sheets, but in the end, I didn't get any
Yeah, it was very
because
unlucky.
they considered in the freaking last minute. Okay,
Yeah.
so yeah, that was a bomb. So then Fernandez also got 11 points, the same as yours. And then I got Salah, and yeah, once again, he provided me some points, so it's good for him. And then I kept Captain Son, which was a good decision because from everyone in my team, he got the biggest point there. And then Rodriguez, well, yeah, same as yours, but I actually think that I need to trade him because he's now injured and only got 25% chance of playing. But we'll see
Okay.
later.
Okay.
Yeah,
Sorry. Confirm not
yeah,
be playing.
yeah. No, yeah, for the next game, not. But we didn't know like how many times that he will miss the game, right?
Ah, yeah.
There's no confirmation. Okay. Moving on, Watkins didn't provide much for me for this week, but he got some attempts from the previous game, so I'm thinking of keeping him. And then Calvert-Lewin, as always, he still scored. And then Bamford got unlucky with the disallowed goal. So my bench is actually looking pretty bad because I got two players not playing, and the other is not playing as well. So I guess I really need to prioritize my bench. I need to switch someone from the bench. I guess that's all for my recap this week.
Okay. Um, I think that's all for the game week 5 results. Um, and for the next videos, we will talk about the prediction for the game week
Transfer
6.
plan.
Yeah, and also I think we will talk about a little bit of the Champions League. Yeah,
Mhm.
results.
Europa League.
Yeah, I want to talk about it also, but the match is not the moment we record this. Yeah, it's not have it
Yeah,
started
it's
yet.
started.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's all from us. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, see you next time. Bye bye.
Bye.